Hello, thank you for coming to check out our tutorial on how to use the slotting optimization tool that we designed for DHL. To use this tool, basically what we want to do is optimize the order that we place objects in the slotting line and make sure they're put in the correct slotting location to minimize congestion and maximize output along the slotting lines for DHL. The way that you use this tool is you enter the SKU number, the type of object it is, whether it's a co-pack, a kit, a kitting, or a finished good, and then you enter how many times it's picked per month, and then how many times it's been picked so far this year. And with that information, we will rank the total picks to date, and then by clicking this button to optimize the lines, we let you enter the picking error rate, because every time that you pick an object, there's going to be some sort of natural error that comes. So it's 0.04, so 4%. And then you also want to enter the picking speed that you have, and this is how many items, or how many seconds it takes to pick one item along the line. So in this case, we have it set for 5 picks per second, and then you would click the begin optimization button, and this runs the risk optimizer tool that we need with the product. You need to have the risk optimizer from the Palladace tool library, and then with that we run a number of iterations to try to figure out the best line design in order to maximize the efficiency of the long line. But right now I'm not going to click this button because the risk optimizer function takes a few minutes to run through all the way, and for the interest of time we already had this done in advance. And then as you can see, this is what we output. It's our map of all the lines along the left side, and then all the bays, and then as you can see there's a location ID, a slot number, and then the SKU identification is in the third row, and this shows you exactly how to fill each line with the various SKUs. And then this graph, or this chart, is derived from the this chart is derived from the line breakdown the DHL sent us that exposes their lines. And as you can see that there's like 2 sections per line over here, and then if you go all the way to the right, there are 3 sections along the line. And what these mean is different types of goods need to go in different sections. For example, that this 3-layered line is designed for co-packs. This line with the part blacked out right here is designed for finished good, because it doesn't need to be any more processing in order to be done. And then these are designed for kittings, which are the most commonly used item. And then we have more functionality on the actual page itself. Say you want to find a specific good, we have the bay number and the line number and the location on that data table. Where you enter the average picks per month and the order type. And we also have this find SKU button right here, which allows you to search by SKU ID number and find 11,000. So say I want to find SKU 1100, you just type in 1100 and hit search, and you'll see it's on line 1 in bay 9. And if you go over to line 1, which is the top row, in bay 9, 1100 is right there as our function showed. And then for like some visualization for managers and things like that, we output pivot table, and then some pivot columns to show you like how many picks each type of order can get per month, each order type can get per month, along with how many along each line, and then also how many picks each order type gets, and then you can separate it by line. So for example, see in line 8, if there are more co-packs and finished goods, and there's hardly any kittings in line 8. So that may be something to look into from a manager's perspective. And then with all this information, we think that this is a very good way to speed up the process, and that because now you can just click on a tool, have all the information there, and then the tool will tell you exactly how you should order all of your lines to able to get it so that you can maximize the efficiency and increase the output and decrease the congestion along the lines for the finished goods at DHL. Thank you for listening. I hope this cleared up any issues that you had with our product.